Mission Theme by Mira Jam on Amazon Music.
Alright, boys. This is Series 3, Mixels' Strongest Fusion. One of the best mixes we've got. Tonight, we're going to draw the fusion of Torts and Mesmo. Using the power of the Rainbow Cubit, they combine their efforts and their powers to stop a runaway merp and get them back to their normal selves. After they caught the merp, they experienced the most magic trick ever. With a whack of abracawackadoodle, it came true. Here are the wings. You got the ooze grabber. And done. That's how you draw the Mesmo Torts fusion. Now this is what I call magic. And the time I remember when I traveled to New York City. Feels like heaven. Stegosaurus, see you later.